Alright, what's up, Title Nation? We got our board briefing Thursday, October 2-1. So, four-time partner Frogger. RX version of the workout is 3,000 meter row or 2,500 meter row, 180 box jumps, 24 inches, 20 inches. Okay, level 2 is 2,500 meter or 2,000 meter row, 140 box jumps, 24 and 20 inches. Level 1 is 2,000 meter row or 1,500 meter row, 100 box step ups. Okay, hear me out. Partner number 1 on the rower, partner number 2 by the box. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're going to accumulate these numbers, whichever workout you decide to do. You're both going to be working at the same time. So, one of you is going to start box jumping, the other one's going to start rowing. Switch as you see fit. Okay? At the end of the day, we want both movements completed. Do they have to happen simultaneously? No. What happens if we finish the row? Team up on the box jumps. What happens if we finish the box jumps? Team up on the row. Okay? So a little bit of strategy will be involved in this workout. A lot of communication of how many box jumps were done, what's going on, right? When in passing, you need to relay the information. The rower will keep counting, but you need to count your box jumps, make sure they're counted properly. That's what we're talking about, communication. Can one person be resting while the other is working for a long period of time? No. So, unless you completed the one row or box jump, right? So if you're still continuing to go, just keep moving. Are you allowed to stop and rest? Absolutely. Right, but we should be going at a pace where we don't really have to stop. We just keep changing back and forth, back and forth. If you're coming out of the gate too hot and you're 5 minutes into the workout, you're like gasping for air and hands on your knees and need water and all that other stuff, you've probably gone too hard, so you want to slow the pace down so you can just keep moving with your partner through this workout. No one said it's not going to be in the pain cave, but we shouldn't have to stop for too long. For any period of time to be resting too much. Okay, so can I do box step ups instead of box jumps? Yes. Can I use a lower box? Yes. So there's all kinds of ways that we can arrange this workout to work for everybody. Okay. What happens if we get a mixed pair on the row and stuff? Well, you just decide what number might work for you guys. Okay. That way it's fair with everybody. Okay, so scaling options we just talked about, time domain. How long is this going to take us? Well, we should be in the 15 to 18 minute range, somewhere in and about there. We're going to put like an 18-minute soft cap if you're close to finishing. Let's go ahead and get that done. But if we're over 20 minutes, we sort of missed the point of the workout. Okay? Circling over to our warm-up, we have 5 sets of 10 reps on a 7-minute clock, and that's going to primarily focus on our lower body because that's what we're going to be using today. And then a specific warm-up, we're going to do 20 to 30 seconds at each station. There's 5 stations. Box jump progressions. Look at that. And then we're going to do some rowing review and a test, and the test is going to involve 1 minute on the rower. Let's see if we can pull 2 minutes, average pace for 500 meters. And then 2:30 for average 500 meter pace, right? So that average number, you want to keep it at 2 minutes or 2 minutes and 30 seconds for that whole entire minute. It'll make sense. If it doesn't make sense now, it'll make more sense when you get on the rower and actually start looking at the screen and all that good stuff. Final movement prep. Basically, we're going to find out what box height you want to use. Start the workout. All right, guys? So partner Frogger, let's have some fun. We'll jump into this Thursday. I made it funny. That's dedicated to Megs, by the way. And we'll have some fun with this workout. Enjoy.